Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This is our tutorial on our pattern, Joong-Gun Hyung. In this tutorial, we'll be working with the first merit of a good pattern, which is proper technique. Everything we're doing, every skill we are doing as correctly as we possibly can. Now, with proper technique, much of the time, what this means is just taking an extra moment to chamber it correctly, to start the skill in the correct place. If I do that, it's much easier for me to perform the skill correctly and effectively. A good example would be the double upset punch. I want to start palms down, elbows tucked in behind, here. That's my chamber. If I'm doing that, as I step forward, I can bring the punch into the correct position. I wind up palms up with my wrists nice and straight, my elbows tucked in front of me. If I don't take that extra moment, if I start, say, here, in this kind of chicken wing position, this is what I wind up with. Another good example would be the pole block we see toward the end of Joong-Gun. If I chamber this correctly, lead hand palm down, backhand palm up, then I can get them in the correct position for the block, which when I get my hands onto a staff, a pole, this would give me jun-nigiri, the proper grip on the staff, so I can contest control of that with an opponent. Again, if I'm not doing that, if I'm just bringing my hands and arms through like this, I can wind up really badly out of position. I take the time to set my hands correctly, to chamber. Then I will have correct technique. But it does take that extra little time. Now, what we will be doing in our tutorial is I will say ready when we're chambering for a new technique. Now, sometimes that's not going to be necessary. One skill will simply flow naturally into the next. We don't need any kind of special setup to move into that skill. But often we do. So let's take this together by my count. Junbi. Ready. 1, 2, ready. 3, ready. 1, 2, ready. 3, ready. 1, ready. 2, ready. 1, ready. 2, ready. 1, ready, and go. Hey! Ready. 1, ready. 1, 2, 3. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Ready. 1, ready. 2, ready. 3, ready. 1, ready. 2, ready. 3, Ready? 1. Ready? 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. Ready? 1. Ready? 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. Ready? 1. Ready? 2. Ready? Go. Hey! And back to ready. Q&A. That is Joong-Gun Hyung, working with the first merit of a good pattern, proper technique. Everything we are doing, we're doing as correctly as we possibly can.